What's brought you to the show, Ben?
Just have a look at different options, campervans, see what sort of thing we might be interested in.
We're kind of new to the camper scene, so we've got a VW Transporter. Come today to see what other options are about, really.
And the beauty of it is you can go and chat with people that know what they're talking about.
I'd just like to look at whatever's going on.
Have you been to a show before, Mark?
Yep, we've been here before, but quite a few years ago.
We come every year. We already own a van. We just come and have a good look round.
Pete, you've been to loads of these shows.
Yeah, great. I mean, just look at the people. There's not anyone here that's unhappy, I don't think. Everybody's smiling and it's great, you know.
I'm just really coming to take a look at what I think is the perfect layout.
My wife likes to look at new vans.
Mainly accessories and things like that. Have a general mood debate.
I've already got a well-established van, but it always needs something, doesn't it?
There's always something else you didn't know you needed. They are still very good value, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
What you get for the money is fantastic.
What did you buy yesterday?
Another table.
I may or may not have ordered a VW Crafter.
I've got my cover and I've just got to find a motorhome to fit it.